Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Time to make some dinner, and I have a brand new recipe that I want to try. It is a Cajun chicken, corn and rice with cheddar sauce. And it's all supposed to be in one pan, so let's give it a shot, okay? Because it sounds so good. So I've got my chicken thighs have been in here. They have been seasoned with a Cajun seasoning. So they are all ready to go into my hot pan that I've got olive oil in. But before we get started on that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Click on the link tree for some other fun stuff, all right? All right, let's get this chicken going because I think this is going to be yum. All right, this Cajun chicken is all done. So we're going to remove the chicken from this pan. Smells so good. Who knew that Cajun seasoning was going to be this yum? Onion and our garlic. So we're going to get those all grilled up. And we're going to use the seasoning, obviously, that's in here already, because we want all the yumminess. So we've got this onion and this garlic all cooked up. Now we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients. So we got a cup of long grain white rice. It's going to go in there. We've got a cup of corn. You can use canned or frozen. This is just canned because that's what I happen to have. And then we've got some chicken broth. So we're going to get that all poured in here. We're going to do a little bit of paprika. Just about half of a teaspoon of paprika. And then your salt and pepper, just to taste. So, all right, this corn and rice mixture is starting to boil. So we are going to cover it up and we're going to turn it down just a little bit, and we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and so give it time for that rice to absorb all of the moisture, okay? But next we're going to start in on the cheddar sauce, okay? All right, so we're going to start on this cheddar sauce. I've got a little bit of butter back here. It's already melted in our little saucepan. We're going to add a little bit of flour so we can make our roux. So we're going to whisk this all up, and then we are going to slowly whisk in and add our milk to this, okay? All right, so now we're going to add in about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So we're just going to get this in here until it's all melted up, and then we will add our seasoning, okay? All right, so we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. We got some garlic powder, just a little bit, not too much of garlic powder we're going to add in. And then just for a little bit of extra flavor, just a pinch of cayenne pepper. So, all right, this corn and rice is all ready. So now we're going to give it a quick stir. And then we're going to add our chicken back into this mixture. Okay. So we're going to go right on top. This is going to be so, I can already tell this is going to be so good. The smells on this is yum. So yum. And then we're going to take this cheddar sauce that we just got done making. And this cheddar sauce is just going to get all drizzled in here. And then we're just going to stir this all up. And then it's going to be time to plate up and eat some dinner. All right, this Cajun chicken, corn and rice one-pot dish is all done. Doesn't it look so good? And I had some left over of that jalapeno cheesy bread that I made in a prayer video. So I figured it all just looked amazing. So there you go. Look at that. Did we not have another fun adventure in the kitchen? Because I know I did. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time, okay? Bye. Time to try this first. Cheesy rice. Ooh, that's yummy. Good stuff.